Sauro Mate uri chairperson w'ekibiina cha People's Front for Freedom Party district ya Kasese yahamya abantu abatahira omu kibiina nibija kureetaho empindahinduka omu kibiina hamwe n'aheeru ya district.
We have received a number of members crossing to PFF on their own will, very honestly. And when I look around, I see members of PFF who have the capacity to advance, not like Kasese district, even beyond in the whole of Lorenzo region.
Sad Tembo waisimbira bwa chairman w'entebe ya katano omukutera akaruru ko kwatira bendera ya FDC yabereko obutamarwa ahabwa akaruru kubura oburinganza.
Okay, the election was marred by irregularities, very many of them. The election was marred by money. In fact, it was commercialized to the level that even one single person voter was given 100,000 shillings.
Edison Mhyana hamwe na Bwambare Rogers bona kuruga omu kibiina cha Democratic Change barikuza omu kibiina cha People's Front for Freedom ebi nibyo bagamba.
As members of FDC and structures, we are already getting used that elected leaders maintain structures because structures collect the views of the people and takes them to the elected leaders for implementation.
I've seen in FDC there's a lot of corruption, conspiracy, nepotism. All those things have made me to cross over to PFF because PFF is the basis of Dr. Kizza messaging. And to me as Edson, I cannot follow the people with corruption or conspiracy or nepotism. I follow things which are very straight.
Ronald Kabuku uri chairperson wa FDC omu Kasese district yajumiraba kubiha ngu bari omu bibiina by'okukakanisa gavumenti ahu yaraganisa kuteeza obururu omu myanya ei babesimbiremu.
Obviously, it is obvious that once a member of FDC with our flag or a flag bearer crosses to another political party, it is obvious that the party is not short of leaders. We will have a by-election. In this particular case, we shall have a by-election and flag one of the candidates that will emerge the winner in the land, so that our flag has a flag bearer.
Amakuru gagasha kwa Arnaitwe Godwin Bwambare awatari West Omuri Kasese.
Freedom for all for freedom. All for freedom.
Freedom for all.